Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I know that I said that I was gonna do my Stuart Weitzman Highland boot review, but life and my husband kind of got in the way of that. So it's nothing terrible. No need to worry or be concerned about me. I had a soda explode in my purse, which ruined both my purse and my wallet. So I needed something new, and I was planning on going and just picking out stuff like that and not worrying about it or showing it on the channel. But my husband surprised me with vastly better than what I was going to buy, and I kind of want to show off when he does something nice for me. He also got me a brand new pair of So Kates. So we are gonna get into the less interesting things, the bag and the wallet he surprised me with, and then we're gonna get into, I don't know what you'd call it, the man of the hour, even though it's not really the man, it's the shoe of the hour. Let's roll with that. So the first thing that my husband went and replaced was my wallet, because it was a Jimmy Choo, very glittery wallet with a suede inner lining, so suede and soda don't mix, and it was a very sad day. See, I even get my wallets from shoemakers. What's wrong with me? So this is the new wallet that he got me. It is actually Alexander McQueen. This is my first McQueen piece, so I'm very excited about that. Not sure if the camera's picking it up too well, but this little clasp is actually a skull with some, I believe, either rhinestones or cubic zirconias, where the eyes and the teeth normally go. But you pop it open, and boom, you got a brand new wallet, and it can double as a clutch, which I really like because my husband is a big sports nut, and when we go to games, they often will not allow you to bring a bag into the stadium. So they'll only let you bring in a clutch that's only, I think, 9 by 5, give or take, if I remember right. So this will work out perfectly in events like that. So love the crimson color, love the clasp. I think it's going to work out well for me as a brand new wallet. So my purse got ruined too. My husband made sure to replace that. It is not McQueen, in case you couldn't tell by the title. It is actually by Valentino. Well, there's my Nordstrom card that I doubt the camera is going to pick up, but it is a giant, I think they said shopping shopping tote when I looked it up online to see exactly what it was. But I love that it's lined with all the studs. You guys know I love the rock studs. I recently did an unboxing of Valentino rock stud shoes. Granted, my studs are not golden, they are just solid black, but I digress. The bag is beautiful. I love that I have enough room to be able to store sneakers when I'm breaking in So Kates. So this will actually work out pretty great for me. As far as I can tell, the leather feels like a nice, very thick, high quality that will last me for years and years and years. So I look forward to beating this up until I have to go and break down and I guess have my husband break down and surprise me with a new bag. So now that we are done with that, this is where it gets interesting around here. You know, I love a pair of So Kates, not very many people do, but I'm one of those weirdos that can handle it. One time I was at the boutiques and the sales representative said I might be one of like the 5% populace that can actually handle wearing a So Kate. So when you are a person like that, you tend to collect them. And Louboutin came out with this line called the Psychic Red Loubi line, and it didn't just come out in So Kates, it came out also in the Kate style, which I do not have. It also came out in the Rosalie sandal, which I do not have. I'm pretty sure it came out in other styles. I just don't remember off the top of my head what they are at the moment. So we're going to tear into these and see what they look like, because oh boy, They give me sort of like Dorothy, Wizard of Oz red, like ruby red slipper sort of look to them. Like, that could have been the inspiration for all I know. I have no idea. But these are easily my now most loud pair of shoes. They appear to be a very true red, like a blue-red iridescent, very show-stopping. Like if I wore all black like I typically do when I walk around in my videos, these are gonna pop. These give me sort of like poison apple red. I get like Snow White vibes for some reason out of these. I'm not exactly sure why. But we're going to take this out so that way you can just see the whole shoe without all the stuffing. And there you go. The lining matches the outside. I'm just over the moon because I was wanting something from this line. I thought they had discontinued this line. And then I saw it pop back up on the website. And I thought, maybe I'll be able to get it. And then my husband's just like, here. So that really made my day. And I cannot wait to be able to go and break these in, even though I'm still breaking in my canvas So Kates, because it takes a good minute to break in So Kates. However, my canvas ones are taking less time to break in than what I'm used to because of the material. But these are a patent. They feel slightly firmer than even my black patent So Kates. So I'm going to have to look more into this, but I do know that it is a patent leather. If there's other material in it, which there could be, I'm not sure. We're just gonna have to find out. I can look into it more. But I am happy that it seems to be a very durable material because whenever I get calf Louboutins, I mess up the heel because I'm always stepping in cracks and my actual stiletto looks really beat up on my Mafaldinas. It's so sad, but eventually I'll get it fixed. So I'm just going to set that there. Hopefully it'll stay put for the time being. And I'll show you the other one. So we're just going to pop all that out, because that's what we do around here. And just take a load of the other one. I am very excited to try these on for you guys. I'm just excited to have them, let alone try them on. These are awesome. Like, I guess, from what Brad told me, the saleswoman told him that these sold out almost immediately the first go around, and they were in such high demand that Louboutin went and did a second release of them. So Brad swept in and got me a pair while he could, and I'm just so grateful. Because these, woof, I'm almost like speechless that he did that. That he like remembered how hardcore I wanted this particular Louboutin, because I'm always like, I want this shoe, I want this shoe, I want every shoe. Can't help it. I'm a shoe freak, in case that wasn't evident. But I'll go ahead and try these on for you guys. I'm dying to try them on myself. And I will hopefully see you in my review of my boots, but hopefully life doesn't get in the way of that, or if anything does, it's another pair of shoes. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!